Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today, Apple released iOS 12.2 Beta 1 to developers. So on the left-hand side here, we have my iPhone XR, which is running iOS 12.1.3. So 12.1.3 on the iPhone XR, and then 12.2 Beta 1 on the iPhone XS Max. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the differences and features that Apple has changed. Not too many, but there are some notable changes other than just bug fixes in this release. So first thing is first, heading over to Control Center, you can see we do have an updated screen mirroring icon. So on the iPhone XS Max, it is it's two screens, which makes more sense than the AirPlay icon that we have on the iOS 12.1.3. This is kind of the same icon that they used to use in Mac when you were connected to a screen or screen sharing over iChat, if you guys remember that back in the day. Kind of the same icon design there. Second is the Apple TV app. So you can see here that we have the small screen layout for the Apple TV app, and up here you have the TV selected. In iOS 12.2 Beta 1, we have a full screen remote app, so you have your touchpad area up here and your buttons down here. If I wasn't connected to a TV, it would say choose TV up here. And on iOS 12.1.3 it says choose Apple TV, so they removed the Apple TV and made it just TV because of the upcoming support for HomeKit and stuff like that on other TVs. Apple News, not a UI change or anything like that, but Apple News does now support Canada, so there is Apple News support in Canada. In the Maps section, if we go to the settings section for the Maps app, you can see that we do have air quality settings, so that is something that you can turn off now. So air quality index and weather conditions is now a setting that you can change if you so choose. Like I said, they did redesign the TV remote and add the ability to add that and share your TV in the Home app. The new screen mirroring icon, there are some updates to the Apple Pay UI. The history that you can view and just kind of how the app looks. I'm not going to open that because I do have cards in Apple Pay. There is a new AirPlay icon in music, which I don't have any music, so I'm not able to show you that, but they did update that icon, as well as some of the Safari search preferences to kind of differentiate between Google searches and other searches on Safari. And that's pretty much all they've added. There's no new wallpapers or anything like that that would be of interest. So pretty much a small update. It was around 750 megabytes for my iPhone XS Max. As you can see here, there are no new wallpapers. We just have the live wallpapers that we don't have on the iPhone XR, but everything else is the same. Wish we would get some new wallpapers and maybe a dark mode. There's a lot of talk about an upcoming dark mode. Hopefully we'll see that in iOS 12.2, maybe later on in the beta process. If not, I don't think we'll see this at all in iOS 12, probably not until iOS 13 if it doesn't get released in this next update. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.